Okay, copy down these definitions. Okay, so copy that down, no bell work, and then copy this down. Okay, let's talk about this. Non-recurring costs once you buy a house. Moving costs. You're only going to do that one time for that house. Closing costs. Those are expenses that you have to pay at closing. Let's keep moving. Earnest money is good faith that you're going to buy the house. Usually it's like 10%, maybe 20%. Attorney fee. Well, that's what you're going to pay an attorney if you have an attorney. Usually it just goes for a real estate agent and then a title company. Origination fee. That's to pay the lender for paperwork. Title search is really important that you don't have any liens. So the title company will do a title search. Because if you buy the property and there are liens on it from work that wasn't paid by the previous owner or owners, you would be responsible. So title search is very important. Put 2 stars by that. Points. That's just an extra fee. So a point is like 1% of the whole loan. So if you have 2 points, it would be 2% of whatever the loan is. You'd multiply 0.02. Origination points. Again, loan processing. That you pay the lender. Discount points, where you buy down the interest rate. So if the interest rate is 8% and you pay 2 points, discount points, it would be 6%. Okay? Let's take a look at example 1. So turn to page 421 and let's take a look here. All right, so you put down 15% down payment. So you're going to multiply 600,000 times 0.15, 15%. So let's clear this out. Get your calculator out. Take 600,000 times 0.15. When I do that, I get $90,000. So you have to put down $90,000. Okay? So how much do you borrow? Now you have to have that money in the bank. That's a lot of money. So you're going to take 600,000 minus 90,000, and when you do that, you get 510,000. So 510,000 is what you're going to borrow. Okay, so you already put 90,000 into this property. Okay, now it says to calculate the annual interest. So write this down, annual interest. To do that, you're going to take the amount that you borrow times the interest rate, which is 0.0375. Okay? I'm reading this right out of the book. So the annual interest is $19,000. So when you buy this house, you're going to be spending $19,000 a year on interest. Determine the daily amount. So if you divide that by 365, you get the daily amount, which is $52. So every day that you are in this house, you're paying interest of $52. Okay? And it says arrears. Arrears, if you look in the book, and there are more definitions here, I think. Let me find the one I want. Okay, here it is. Once your mortgage payments begin, mortgage interest is paid. Interest starts at the beginning of each month and continues through the month. When you make mortgage payments, you are paying the interest that is built up on the money borrowed during the month that just passed. Okay, so this is called arrears. So if you close on the 24th day here, you're going to multiply that by 24 and you got to pay that. That's interest in arrears, which is 1257.6. I want you to read that. For today, you're going to do 7.4, and that's going to be me take a look here. Looks like there's a lot to this chapter here. So page 428, and we're going to be doing 1 through 10. Make sure you check your answers. This is a really important section here. Have a good day.